The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cook County in northeast Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., National Weather Service top radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located very near O'Hare Airport and moving east at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Harwood Heights and Niles around 7:15 p.m. Morton Grove around 7:20 p.m. Skokie, Logan Square, Wilmette Harbor and Wilmette around 7:25 p.m. Rogers Park and Devonstead around 7:30 p.m. Montrose Harbor, Lakeview, and Lincoln Park around 7:35 p.m. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail with damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. The following is a special marine